here, and I retired in 2006. Just a quick background of what we do. Now, she's covered restaurant, brick and mortar. We have that. We have a food truck, and catering is what we do. Is our primary business is catering, and we've catered everywhere in the local area, in Raleigh, and everywhere. So I just love what I do, and that's what keeps me going. If you're doing a food truck, that is a lot of work as well too. Now, I don't want to discourage anybody. Let me tell a quick story. When I started back in, I retired in 2006. 2007, I bought a big old box truck. I thought I was going to start this food truck and get out here and do wonderful things in this, because I love cooking, right? I started building my food truck in my driveway. Let me tell you, in my driveway, I built my food truck. And then one day I said, let me go down to the health department. Well, that's when I first met Miss Davis. Anybody know Miss Davis?
Yes.
Everybody should know. When you get in the food business, you know Miss Davis.
You won't meet her.
You will meet her because she does your permits. She's the one that does all new permits and all that. So you will meet Miss Davis. Wonderful person. But back then I wasn't too aware, and she took me from A to Z, gave me a little pamphlet. You go to the health department, they give you a little pamphlet, and it tells you everything in it is required for a food truck and restaurants and stuff like that. But she just, I was a little discouraged, I'm not gonna lie. I parked the truck in storage for about 7 years, in the food truck. Then I ended up opening up the restaurant in Hope Mills. Then I ran to Miss Davis again, but it was in better terms. So you got to have a plan. And the most important thing, I think, and you mentioned, Roseanne, is the menu. A lot of people, they said, we're gonna start with this. Oh, but also I can do this. Oh, and also I can do this right here. Then I can do this right here. Then you're all over the place. So you're the master of what? You see what I'm saying? So if you focus on one solid menu, and you're gonna tweak it. You're gonna tweak it. Even in baking, you're gonna bake some pastries. Okay, they're not moving. Okay, let's do something different. And that's the beauty of the food business. You start something, and after a while, you get your menu you started with, but like, okay, let's look at this. Okay, this is not moving.
You're collecting your taxes, and you're paying your taxes. Because if not, Ms. Gwynn will find you.
She will.
I mean, Ms. Gwynn was at a business summit at FTCC. They had 2 food trucks out there. She said, neither one are registered, and now they're doing business. So she was nice, she's sweet. Went up to him, here's a packet.